Remember, it's not just enough for you to see all these people flaunting dollars in the online space, say that they make it from affiliate marketing. You will know the real truth in this video. So 5 years from now, many affiliate marketers will turn to like. So listen and watch this video to the end because you have a lot to grab. See, you selling a product in the online space or making $10,000 is not really enough. Even if you made about $100, is not really enough, or $100,000 is not really enough. Remember that money keeps on coming, yes, but don't spend it like that. 5 years from now, many affiliate marketers will turn to 5 years from now, because so many of them don't just promote products. Some of them sells lies. Some of them sells lies, and this is one of the things that makes them not to last in the game. Secondly, so many of them don't care or think of investing the little they have made. See, if you are an affiliate marketer or you are making money now and you are not investing that money to something else, I am sorry, because time will come. You see, the money is coming out and you think the money will keep on coming. Time will come when all this money that is coming will shift to another person. So if you are making money as an affiliate marketer now, invest. Don't joke with investment. Buy houses, buy lands, like invest in stocks, invest in other business that will keep on giving you money. Invest in schools, in lodges, invest in other business, other lucrative business. Okay, because see, affiliate market, you can continue to recommend digital products throughout your life. Time will come, you will be like, hey, Omo, this thing with this not how they used to become a man. Or like, I will not continue to sell person products, or even if I promote my own, how many do I sell in a month? Just 5? Is that how much? Is that how I will? Is it like some reasoning will start to come in your mind? But if you invest the little you have back then, even if that type of reasoning comes in your, you have backup because you have invested. And thirdly, so many affiliate marketers find it hard to update themselves. They are using the old format. So many of them find it hard to learn new opportunities. Yes, that is why if an affiliate marketer enters your DM now, maybe on WhatsApp or any of these social media, it's very, very hard for you to like to convince them. Why? Because they feel like I've known it all. I've known it all. That's how they used to see themselves. So another person find it hard to convince them, maybe to pay for something. They only pay if they know that, hey, this person is doing well in affiliate marketing. Maybe they just care to pay for personal mentorship. That's where they will bring out the money. But if it's in another field, they find it hard to believe that person or allow that person to convince them. Why is it like that? Because they feel that like I've known it all. Nobody knows it all. Where you stop is where another person starts. Okay, so allow yourself, if you're into affiliate marketing or digital marketing, allow yourself to grab new opportunities. Update yourself. That funnel you used to sell a lot, with time that format will not work again. Ask yourself, why is it that YouTube, why is it that all social media used to update all time? Why? Because things change. So if you fail to update yourself, see, I'm sorry, you will not, they will leave you behind. You understand? So try to do these 3 things that I mentioned. First, don't sell lie. Don't sell lies. Sell helpful products, maybe in relationship niche, in money making niche, in health niche, in any niche at all, in Japan niche. Then secondly, like I mentioned, think of investing the little you have made. Think of investing the little you have made. And thirdly, open yourself to grab new opportunity. Open yourself like that wide to update yourself. Don't be stingy to yourself. Like I don't say you should waste your money, but don't be open your mind to grab new opportunity. Don't feel like I've know it all. Nobody knows it all. Even your mentor is still learning. Even your mentor have another mentor, but he might not tell you. He or she might not tell you. So open your mind to learn. The more you consume, the more you learn, the more you earn, as they used to say. So open your mind to learn. I believe this is helpful. But in case you are into knowing this affiliate marketing field, now let me tell you this. Don't think that affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing platform are saturated. No. In fact, what we are doing in this Africa when it comes to affiliate marketing, we have not done even 1/4 of white people. Like, imagine one of my friend in the USA told me that she sold 5,000 products in 2 days. But it's very, very hard for you to see somebody that sold like that amounts of products just in 2 days. So many people, some of the gurus in the online space, maybe affiliate marketing, will tell you that I sold 18,000 products in 5 years or in 6 years. 18,000, but somebody made it in sold 5,000 in 2 days. That is incredible, right? So don't think that affiliate marketing have saturated or affiliate marketing will end in the future. No, no. Affiliate marketing is a legit business that come and it will stay, because we do it offline, we do it online, and it's just like a skill. Anything you grab from there, you can implement it anywhere and it will still work for you. So don't think that affiliate marketing is saturated. But what I'm saying is that instead of you to be posting all the sales that you won the sale challenge so that you get more followers or get more clients or get more visibility. No, like invest. If you are doing all these things, make sure you are investing that money, because time will come when that money will stop coming like that. Okay, so I believe this is helpful. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll create a video and answer you that question. And please subscribe for more videos like this.